Okay, now this is part two of this pretty boy swag. Niggas mad, cause all they be easy, AK mad swag. Got 'em glad, got they hoes wrapped up like it's a Trojan kinda condom. But I'm hitting them with this. It's the extra size condom, but extra large that I hit 'em with be the shit. You a lizard, I'm a raptor, you a 17-year-old with allowance. I get an accountant. My money is so big, I can't even fit it in my fucking wallet. Pockets don't swole, so my pants hang low. My chain hang low, but I ain't even jizz though. They call me Mad Swag, baby. Let me tell you what I'm about. I'm a rock star, baby. I can turn your ass out, rock you out, hit you with this dick that you ain't never had. Put the pussy nigga in the fucking glad bag. Talking big shit, 100 goons